You are welcome to the next class, guys. So, what we actually want to do today, we want to look at the difference between rotate and mirror. So, that's what we are doing in this next class. So, let's look at the difference between rotate and mirror because I think I can remember there's one project we did like that. So, the clients actually want us to mirror the building because we have like four different building. We have like four building on that property. So those building they are the same pattern, they are the same block of units. So what they actually want us to do is the template for block A, we should mirror it for block B. Then the template for block C, we should mirror it for block B. So there was actually challenges when it comes to communication. So they didn't really pass the information to us well. So what we actually did was we rotate instead of mirroring. So we're now having the challenge. We're going back and forth when we get to stage of some stuff, sha. But so I can say that that's where I learned the difference between rotate and mirror. So why it is also important for us in our journey when we are studying drawing, when we are working with drawing, when we are working on construction projects. We need to know the difference between the two. So let's quickly go to that. Which drawing should I use? Which drawing should I use? I'm trying to look at building that can really explain so much well. Okay, I think I should use this. Should I use this drawing? Can this speak well? Let me see. Let me see. I'm trying to look for the drawing that can really explain what I'm trying to say. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Okay, let me open a PDF. So I will convert it to let me open an architectural drawing. So let me open an architectural drawing. So convert it to I'll bring it to my AutoCAD. So let me see. Go back to let's use this. Let's check this. I think this structural. This structure. I need like architectural building. Architectural drawing rather. Let me check for this. Let me check for this. Oh, let me use. I think I have one that they just sent to me of recent. McGregor. Let's look at this. If this is actually okay. So I think this is an architectural drawing. So I want to use an architectural so that you guys will clearly understand what I'm trying to explain. So let me look at okay, which floor is this? This is third floor, third, fifth, seventh. This is second, fourth, sixth. This is the first floor. I'm looking at one that is uniform. Okay, let's use this one for example. This is page 6. So let me plot page 6. Save as PDF. Save as PDF. Let me off my. I'm coming, guys. Let me off my Wi-Fi is disturbing me. Off. Okay. So let me save this as PDF. This page 6. Okay. So I'll save it on my desktop. Save. So open this drawing. What's this? Where is page 6? Here's the drawing. Okay, so this is it. I'll copy it so I can paste it on my AutoCAD. Let me paste it somewhere around here. Control V, bring it here, enter, click it, you can enter, enter. So for example, so let's use this drawing for example now. So I want to, if I want to rotate this building now, so I can easily do it like this. Let me show you guys. If I want to rotate, so I can easily do like this and go to rotate. You understand? So I can easily do something like this. Go to something like this, then rotate like this. Do you understand? So okay, let me copy it so that you guys will see what I'm trying to say. You will now see the difference. So let me copy it somewhere here. Copy like this. So I now want to rotate this one so that you see the difference. Let me rotate like this so you understand what I'm trying to say. So you can see the difference now. So if you look at the first drawing, you can see where we have our what can we use as an example? Okay, look at, see where we have our void over entrance flyover here. Then see where we have okay, let me use this as an example. Look at this bedroom. See where we have open terrace. So by the time you get to this one, you will see where we have our, okay, I think this open terrace is not really okay. Okay, let's use the grid line for example. On this drawing, the original one, you can see where we have our grid line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 here. So if you look at this axis, look at where we're having our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. So the lower side, the one at the down part here, will turn to the upper part. So that's the difference between rotate. So rotate will be as if you turn something around. Do you understand? So for example, let me off this so that you see what I'm saying. So rotate will look as if you are turning things like in 360-degree. You understand? Something like this. So this is how rotate looks like. You can see guys. So this rotates. So it's like you are turning something is either clockwise or anti-clockwise. That is rotate for you. So but if we are talking about mirror here, let me now go to mirror. Let me copy this one. Let me copy it down here. So if I want to mirror, you see the difference between mirror now. So I will click mirror. I can click on this part, then click it like this. I want it to be beside each other. Then click it, then press enter. So you can see. So mirror will be like you open a book. It's like when you are reading something on a page, you now want to flip it to the other page at the back of that page that you are looking at. So that is the mirror part. So if you look at the grid line, unlike when we check the rotate, look at the grid line here. So you see the same number that we have in here is the same thing that we are going to have here. Do you get what I'm saying now? But here, the first number is 10, then 9, then 8, then 7. Here, the first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like that. So that's different between mirror. Mirror is going to be as if you are opening a page to the other side. Let's assume you draw a plan on a page, on a transparent page. So you now want to view it at the back page. So you just turn the page around to the other side so that you can still see the same drawing, but the there will be something like a difference in the orientation. So you can see here, so every structure that we have on this side at this start point here, if you look at the other side, we are going to have it on this axis. Do you get what I'm saying? So everything you have on this side here, we are going to have it on this side here, but the grid line will not change. So let's use that grid line as reference. The grid line will not change. So it will change on one part, it will not change on one part, because here we have the numbers, here we also have the numbers. Here we have the alphabet. You can see that here we have the alphabet. But it's going to be like you turn things around. So here at start we have 10, grid line 10, 9, 8. Here we have grid line 1, 2, 3. So you can use the page, the way I use the page as an example, as an explanation. So you can use it to understand the difference between rotate and mirror. So mirror is as if you are turning a page to the other side. You get what I'm saying? Unlike you are viewing a drawing on a page and you now turn it to the other side to view the same drawing. Compared to rotate, rotate is as if you are turning something around. It's either clockwise or anti-clockwise, like 360-degree. That is rotate for you. So that is the difference between the two. So if they ask you to mirror, once you click the drawing, once you click the drawing you want to mirror, just go to your mirror, click mirror, then click one angle and where you want to mirror it to. So I want to mirror it to my left side. I'll just come like this, then click it, then press enter. So if you don't press enter, it will not mirror the drawing for you. So you can see now, if I want to mirror it to my left side too, I'll just click the drawing, click mirror, then click it on the left side, then turn it to the angle that I want it. Click OK, then you press enter. So you can see. So that's the difference. That is mirror for you. But if it is actually rotate, rotate will look as if you are turning something all around, something like this. So if I want to turn from this angle, I'll just click it, then turn it around like this. So you can see the difference between rotate. So you can see now this is rotate. So it's like something is going 360-degree or clockwise or anti-clockwise. So that is rotate for you. So even if it is the other way around, if I click it, click rotate, then come to this angle, so it's still the same thing. You can see, guys. So any angle I want to turn it. So that's the difference between rotate and mirror. So thank you, guys. So let's meet in the next class.